Every legendary machine begins with a dream of speed, precision, and perfection. For more than 75 years, Ferrari has built some of the world's most iconic performance cars. Machines admired for their beauty, engineering, and unmistakable sound. Every Ferrari begins its journey in Maranello, Italy, where advanced technology and traditional craftsmanship work side by side. Here, hundreds of engineers, technicians, and skilled craftsmen transform raw materials into machines built for extraordinary performance. Every stage of production follows the same philosophy: build it with precision, inspect it with care, and never compromise on quality. From the first engine component to the final quality inspection, every Ferrari follows an extraordinary journey. This is the story of engineering excellence. This is Ferrari. Every Ferrari is defined by one thing: its engine, the heart of every machine. Inside the engine assembly hall, skilled technicians build each engine with exceptional precision, one component at a time. The process begins with the engine block, a lightweight foundation engineered for strength and performance. Crankshafts, pistons, connecting rods, and camshafts are carefully assembled and measured repeatedly. Every component must meet Ferrari's exact specifications before moving to the next stage. Unlike mass production, much of the engine assembly is still completed by hand. Combining experience with modern technology, advanced robotic systems assist technicians, providing accuracy, consistency, and efficiency. Before the engine leaves the assembly line, it undergoes detailed inspections and the electronic testing. Only after meeting Ferrari's uncompromising standards can the heart of the machine continue its journey. Now, attention turns to the body, where the legendary shape of a Ferrari begins to emerge. With the engine complete, attention now turns to the chassis, the foundation of every Ferrari. Large aluminum and steel components are carefully positioned before the assembly process begins. Advanced robotic systems perform hundreds of precise welding operations, creating a structure that is both lightweight and incredibly strong. Every section is measured and inspected to ensure absolute accuracy. Engineers continuously verify alignment, structural rigidity, and dimensional precision. As more components are added, the unmistakable silhouette of a Ferrari gradually begins to appear. Only after passing detailed structural inspections can the vehicle continue to the next stage of production, the paint shop. With the chassis complete, the Ferrari enters one of the most advanced paint facilities in the world. The process begins with thorough cleaning and protective treatments designed to prevent corrosion. Every surface is carefully prepared before the first layer of paint is applied. Advanced robotic systems move around the vehicle, applying each coat with remarkable precision. Multiple layers create a finish that is both beautiful and highly durable. Ferrari offers an extensive range of colors, allowing every customer to create a truly unique car. After painting, the body passes through controlled curing processes to ensure maximum quality. Finally, skilled technicians inspect every surface by hand, searching for even the smallest imperfection. Only when the finish is considered flawless can the vehicle continue to the next stage, where luxury meets engineering. With the painted body complete, the Ferrari begins its final transformation from a painted shell into a world-class sports car. Inside the assembly hall, skilled technicians install the interior, one component at a time. Premium leather, carbon fiber, and handcrafted materials are carefully fitted throughout the cabin. Seats, dashboard, controls, and electronic systems are installed with exceptional precision, creating the driver-focused cockpit Ferrari is famous for. Glass, doors, lighting systems, and exterior components are carefully assembled, bringing the vehicle closer to completion. Every component must fit perfectly. Every gap is carefully measured. Every detail is inspected to meet Ferrari's exact standards. As the final pieces come together, the unmistakable character of a Ferrari comes to life. Thousands of individual parts now form a single high-performance machine. The assembly process is complete. The journey is complete, from raw materials to one of the world's most admired sports cars. Every Ferrari represents decades of innovation, engineering excellence, and uncompromising craftsmanship. Every component, every detail, and every decision has one purpose: creating the ultimate driving machine. This is more than manufacturing. It is the pursuit of perfection. This is Ferrari. And this is engineering giants.